Hello, welcome to my website. This is a homepage of Eventale. You can search events and see recommend events here. As you can see, this is for an assignment. By clicking these buttons, you can choose what you want to do through the event. If you want to play, click this button. Then you can see a list of events that fit your purpose. Here you can see the event's details including schedule, location, and ticket price. If you want to buy a ticket, click this button. Here you can buy a ticket for the event. On community page, you can see the event reviews that written by other customers. Or you can log in and write your own review. Here you can manage your personal information, posts, and tickets. Lastly, on this page, you can know what my business is and contact me. Thank you.